Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Friday. Today I'm going to show you how to start the installation of halos into your XB's rear bumpers. Now obviously this can apply towards other vehicles like the Corolla, the Camry, and any other vehicle that has the same size reflectors in the rear bumper. So during some messing around with the wiring, at some point I wanted to double check to make sure the wires were working. But I connected the halo directly to a 12 volts battery, and I actually fried one of the halos. I didn't realize it until a few minutes later, so I had to order another set of halo rings. So the install is still valid, and the steps you'll follow will pretty much be the same, but that little black box is actually a power reducer, and I just basically charged the halo directly to a 12 volt power source, and the halo said nope. So yeah, new ones will be here Monday. I'll be able to go ahead and switch over the diffuser cover and, you know, put it all back together, and then I'll be able to reveal a part 2 of this video. So it's kind of my fault that there's gonna be 2 parts of this, but I didn't want to leave you guys hanging on the end result in one video, so I hope you guys enjoy today's setup. Okay, so here are some things you're gonna need. You're gonna need some wiring, some electrical tape, vinyl, razor blade for the vinyl, 10mm for the reflector, some wire loom protector, wire cutters, wire nuts, or male and female wire adapters, or solder, or however you like to combine your wiring, and some patience. Okay, so the reflectors right here is where we're actually going to be putting the halos. These reflectors are roughly 70mm in diameter, and they are held on with a 10mm nut and a little tab. So let me show you. Okay, so once you take it off, this is what it will look like. There's the nut, and that's the tab that actually holds it straight on the bumper so it doesn't spin. Now we're obviously going to hide the wiring, but the halo will sit on the reflector like that. I'm going to go ahead and pull all the trunk stuff out and all the materials, and we'll go from there. Okay, so once you have the tire cover removed, go ahead and run a wire through there. That's going to be a safe place for the wire to run through without it going through metal. If you don't know, if you get wire running against metal, it will rub off and damage the wire and cause issues. So always go through a rubber grommet if you have one available. Now this particular hole comes out right behind the wheels and all that kind of jazz. And we're going to go ahead and just get enough slack. We're going to run it just to get enough slack to the back of the rear where the reflector goes. Now once you have the bottom portion figured out, you want to go ahead and make sure you run your wire all the way underneath here and up into the brake light housing. Once you have it routed like you'd like, go ahead and run the same thing for the other side, and then go ahead and pull it out so we can wrap it. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the wires, and we have this little module. It's like a power reducer or something, but that will not fit in that tiny hole. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the wires right here, beat them through, then I'll reconnect them again. So I have to go ahead and, after I cut it, I need to strip these down. And I want about that much to be stripped back. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is I want the wires to go where this little peg is. I want them to go through here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shave down a little path for the wires to sit down here, and then they can go through here. I'm gonna shave down the little peg a little bit, and then once I have that, then I can pull the wires through here. We'll connect them, slide the peg in, and then we can bolt it back up. Okay, so the harnesses are done. I just need to go ahead and route through the bumper and underneath the car, and then through here, and then get them connected there. And the halos, I just can't get over how pretty they look. And that's what it's going to look like installed, roughly. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Again, I do apologize about the mess up that I did with the Halo, but hopefully you guys won't do the same thing. So part 2 will pick up hopefully next week, and then we'll continue to go over the install and the final result. And again, I'll leave a link to everything in the description below. Also, the giveaway, I'm thinking we're going to do with 500 subscribers. So if we hit that by the end of the year or whenever we hit it, we'll go ahead and do a giveaway. I'm thinking something with Rev Automotive and Sniffs for Whips, maybe like a cleaning car package or something of that matter. But thank you so much for your guys' support. I'll see you guys around. Have a good night and stay safe.